Here we've got OnePlus Nord CE2, and let me show you how to activate developer options on this phone. So at first, just open the settings, go to About Phone then, and enroll version right here. And now you need to tap 7 times on build number, then draw the unlock pattern, and that's it. So let's just go back, and from now on your developer options are located under additional settings. So just click to open, and now you can smoothly use them. Then to switch the developer panel off, just unmark the stop switcher, and as you can see they are no longer accessible. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.